Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all one of my favorite things to order when I'm in Trinidad at Great Wall Restaurant or at the Wok in Sandu. So let me show you how to make this. This one is called Chow. Not all restaurants have it, so you'll have to look for it at those restaurants that I mentioned. Unless you know somewhere else, leave it in the comments below. We're gonna start with our washed and clean boneless skinless chicken thighs that I cut up into small pieces. We're seasoning with salt, Chinese seasoning and soy sauce. Now we're going in with some sesame oil and we're going to give this a mix and allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes. So just set that aside. Next we're going to place our wok on a medium heat and add in our oil. So 1 tablespoon of oil went in there, and we're going to add in ginger and garlic. Fresh ginger and fresh garlic is always best, and let that saute in there for about 20 seconds just to release those aromatics. You want the natural oils to come out, and then add in the seasoned chicken. We're going to cook the seasoned chicken for about 8 minutes. Remember, it's chicken thighs, so it will take a little longer. If you're using chicken breasts, it will finish cooking faster. So just before it's finished, we're going to add in some carrots sliced, and we want to cook this for a minute because carrots takes longer to cook, so you want to give that some additional cook time. Now we're going to go in with the rest of veggies. I have sweet peppers and christophene. You could also add onions if you wanted to. I have button mushrooms, black mushrooms, and some baby corn. Now I'm using whatever veggies I like in this. Feel free to add or omit whatever you don't like. So you're gonna let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and just before it's done we're gonna add in our cabbage. Now I'm using a Chinese cabbage which is very soft and wilts down very easily, but if you're using a hard cabbage you will want to add that in together with the carrots. So after about 2 minutes we're going to go in with our cornstarch slurry. This is just a mixture of cornstarch and water. You want to mix it really well and then pour it over your veggies. Now of course if you didn't want to use the cornstarch you can omit it. This just adds that luxurious velvety texture to your dish. Toss, and you want to finish with some chopped scallions. You could also add on a drizzle of sesame oil here at the end. And then you want to taste and adjust your salt, and this is ready to be served. This is served with fried rice, or you can serve it with some noodles. You can even add some noodles in here. If you guys wanted to make this vegetarian, you can omit the chicken for some fried tofu, or some fried soya chunks would go really great, or you could just make this all veggie by omitting the chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment, let me know down below if you remember this dish. Let me know, because this was my absolute favorite to order when eating at a Chinese restaurant. So thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.